Okay, let's flip it. And that's kind of black. Guys, welcome back to Brand New Vegan. I am Chuck, and we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to review a product I found at my local Fred Meyer / Kroger. Why? Because people think I cook from scratch every single meal, and I usually do, but not everybody can. So that's why there are products like this. And there are a lot more products in the grocery store for vegan, plant-based than ever before. Way more than when I started. So these are actual Veggies, it's the company. And this is the actual black burger that says chef-crafted black bean patties with shaved carrot and caramelized onion. 8 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber, 0 grams of saturated fat. Just Veggies, actually. Okay. 190 calories per burger, 1.5 grams of fat, and 320 milligrams of sodium. And the ingredients are black bean, carrot, parsnip, oat, yellow onion, red pepper, chickpea flour, lemon, spice blend, which is ovada seed, kosher salt, garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, cumin, and black pepper. So they say no oil, nut-free, no gluten, no soy, no preservatives, non-GMO, vegan, and kosher. Sounds like a legit product. So this was at my Fred Meyer. There's 6 of them in here, and it cost me about $12.99. So that's a little over $2 a burger. And if you've ever gone to a restaurant and got an Impossible Burger, we know they're way more than that there. So let's see. They have 4 of these. They have a purple burger, which is beet, carrot, and red onion. Interesting. An orange burger, potato, carrot, and red pepper. Green burger, kale, broccoli, and spinach. And then the black burger. It says it'll last 10 days in the refrigerator or 15 months frozen. That's a long time. You can sear them, bake them, grill them, or air fry them. And we're going to try a sear it here today. So why am I reviewing a processed food product? Isn't all processed food junk food? Again, if we want people to try this way we eat, you have to meet them where they are. If they're in a bar, we got to figure out a way to get them to try vegan bar food. Processed food may not be as healthy as whole food plant-based, but it's a start. It's a start. And some people just don't have time to cook from scratch. Some people don't want to cook from scratch. Some people don't know how to cook at all. So these are mostly for convenience. But if this review helps just one person try something different, vegan food, whole food plant-based, then yeah, just one person tries it, that's a win for me. I'll take it. And these burgers are a lot healthier than some. For example, the Beyond and Impossible, 230 calories per burger. These are 190. They have 5 grams of saturated fat for the Beyond, 6 grams for the Impossible. This has 0. Total fat, 14 grams Beyond, 13 grams Impossible. What they say, 1.5 for the actual veggie. And then 390 milligrams of sodium for Beyond, 370 for Impossible. These are 320. So healthier than the other stuff. Let's give them a try. Let's cook one of these up. You do have to thaw these out beforehand. So there is some planning involved. I got a couple right here. And we'll get a top down. This is what they look like. Pretty interesting. I'm going to start this guy on medium heat. We'll let that heat up for a minute and pop one in. Again, these won't be for everybody. You may not want to try these at all. You may not be able to find them. I know I found mine at my Fred Meyer at Kroger, but there's also a website, links below for all this stuff. And you can click on location and put in your zip code, and it'll tell you the closest place you can buy these. So according to the instructions, you can pan fry. That's what I'm going to do. So these say 4 to 5 minutes per side. Might try medium high. We'll go with medium. And I'm going to taste these with both without and with bun condiments. And what I have here, typical burger condiments. I got some red onion, some tomato, some pickle, some lettuce. This is Dave's Killer Bun. All right, let's try this. I'm excited. I love a good burger. I'll turn this up to medium high and set a timer. 4 minutes countdown. I'm going to be doing a lot of these reviews coming up. Not just burgers, but other things I think people might be willing to try if they're brand new, to get them to at least try our food, taste something that says vegan on it. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Ezekiel bread is one that comes to mind. I eat that a lot, and not everybody knows what it is or where to find it even in the grocery store where it's located. It's frozen. My Marmite, I love Marmite, but a lot of people don't know what that is. We could do it Beyond Burgers if you want, Impossible Burgers. Miyoko's has a whole line of dairy products, cheese and sour cream. She has sour cream? She has butter. Cheese and butter products. Gardein, there's chicken nuggets. Like I said, you gotta meet people where they're at. Well, there's no sizzle, so there is no fat. We'll see what it looks like on the other side after 4 minutes. I might turn the heat up some more. I started eating this way in 2008. And there was very little products like these to choose from, very little. And vegan cheese, that was horrible. I think we had Bulgur burgers and maybe some Morningstar burgers. That was it. There was no Gardein, there was no Impossible chicken nuggets, none of that stuff. But it doesn't have to be frozen processed stuff either. If you have an idea for something you'd like to see me try, let me know. Like I said, if it gets one person to at least taste something new, let's do it. Hey, let's flip it. And that's kind of black. I'm going to turn it down. I'll still try it. So that was my induction burner on medium high. I suggest you try medium. They do call it a black burger, right? Well, mine's black. They say on the package, medium high heat. I would suggest medium heat. Of course, they also suggest oil in the package, and I don't use oil, so. 2 minutes. Let's flip it and see what the other side. See, yeah, it's not as black. Yeah, medium high heat. That's the way to go. And if anybody happens to try the purple, green, or orange burger, let me know. We'll have to look and see if they had those. I saw the black burgers, but I don't know if they had the others. And mine is black. I am a trained chef, Sometimes. No, I'm not trained. No formal training at all. I'm going to say, yeah, I hear it. Thank you. Stop. Okay. All right. I am going to move that out of the way. So, nice thing about induction burners, they get hot, but they don't stay hot. And I'll cook this one up here in a minute. Let's try a little bite without anything. If you can see that, let's try a bite. You know, that's not bad. I kind of like it. It has the same texture as a black bean burger. If you've ever had one of those before, it's not going to be exactly like a hamburger, but it does have good texture, a good bite, good feel. It's not overly salty. The flavor is really good. I'm going to try another bite without anything on it. I hope you can see all that. Little carrot, little red pepper, and black beans. Yeah, I like those. So now let's go for the burger experience. I don't know, if you are new to this way of eating, would you turn this down? Looks pretty good to me. Let's try it. These are a win, guys. I really like them. Of course, with this all doctored up, it's going to taste good. It tastes like any burger. You taste the tomato, the onion, the mustard, etc. But just the burger by itself, that was really good. So final thoughts. Do I like them? Yes, I do. Tastes great. Not greasy, not juicy either. It's kind of dry for a burger, but any burger like this with very little fat is going to be a little bit dry. It's not going to have that juice that you're used to with a real burger, or maybe an Impossible or Beyond Burger. But I like it. The texture is good. It holds up. I think you could grill these easily, and they'd be really good on a grill. Would I buy them again? Yeah, I would. They would be great to have on hand for camping trip or going to somebody's barbecue. Have some thawed out. Throw these on a grill. Like I said, I paid $12.99 for a package of 6. And the package, I'll get a close-up. I'll have the links below so you can check them out yourself. Again, there's a website. I'll put that down below too. It'll have the location you can find these things. If you are looking in your store, if you have a Fred Meyer or a Kroger, look in the frozen food section in the cooler where all the other Bolka burgers, Morningstar burgers, that kind of stuff is located. And hope you find some if you like it. Let me know if you try them and you like them too, or if you don't. Let me know what you think of this review, if you want me to keep doing them or not. And if you like all this stuff, be sure and do the like and subscribe YouTube stuff underneath. That helps me a lot. And until then, I'll see you next time. This is Chuck, brand new vegan. Thanks for watching.